Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Inside the Niger Delta commiserates with the governor of Bayelsa State over the recent demise of his father, late Pa Abraham Diri, who passed away on the 12th of February 2023 at the ripe age of 88. The patriarch of the Diri family in Sampu, Kolokuma local government area of Bayelsa State, was a retired headmaster, devout Christian, and a man of exemplary humility. Since the sad incident occurred, several sympathizers, including former governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Henry Siriaka Dixon, Deputy Governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, and Governor Bala Usman of Bauchi State, have paid condolence visits to the bereaved governor at his country home in Sampo. Other sympathizers are former national chairman of the PDP, Uche Secondus, and top party chieftains from the South-South.
Inside the Niger Delta,